Hello everyone, today we come to discuss a topic capsule. What is capsule? What is their basic advantage and disadvantage of capsule? What is gelatin? What are their types of gelatin? What is hard gelatin capsule? What is soft gelatin capsule? And also we are discussing briefly about the soft gelatin capsule and their evaluation point. First, coming to the basic definition of the capsule. What is capsule? Capsule are solid dosage form in which drug substances is enclosed within a hard or soft soluble cell. The cell are generally formed from gelatin. Capsule is a solid dosage form of medicament in which drug substances are enclosed within a cell or envelope, and the cell are made up from gelatin. Gelatin are available both in hard and soft type. Classification of the capsule. Capsule are mainly classified into two types. Number 1, hard gelatin capsule, and number 2, soft gelatin capsule. Now moving to the basic advantages of the capsule. Here display some of the point of the advantage of a capsule. Like capsule are made up from gelatin and hence they are therapeutically inert. They are attractive in their appearance. They are very economical. They are easy to handle and carry. And also the drug having the unpleasant taste and odor can also be administered by enclosing them within a capsule cell. Now moving to the basic disadvantage of the capsule. Hygroscopic drug is not suitable in the form of capsule because it may absorb the water which are present in the capsule cell, which may causes brittle of the capsule cell and ultimately lead to the crumble into pieces. Number 2, the concentrated solution which require previous dilution are not suitable in the form of capsule because if it is administered as such, it may causes irritation to the stomach. Capsule size. The capsule are classified in different size. The capsule size are classified according to their capacity of the capsule. For human use, empty capsule ranging in size from 000 to 5. That means smallest number is 000 and largest number is 5. Generally, hard gelatin capsule are used to encapsulate between 65 mg to 1 gram. Gelatin. Gelatin is a major component for preparing the capsule cell. Gelatin is available both in hard and soft type. Gelatin is a heterogeneous product which are derived by hydrolytic extraction of animal collagen. The source of the gelatin include animal bones, hide portion, and frozen pork type. Gelatin are classified into two types, type A gelatin and type B gelatin. Type A gelatin is derived from acid-treated precursor and which having a isoelectric pH at 9. It is mainly manufactured from pork skin. And type B gelatin, it is derived from the alkali-treated precursor. Their basic isoelectric pH is 4.7 and it is manufactured mainly from animal bone. Filling of the hard gelatin capsule. Mainly three types of the devices are used for filling of the medicament within a hard gelatin capsule. Number 1, hand-operated method, semi-automatic capsule filling devices, and automatic capsule filling machine. This is a hand-operated capsule filling machine. It is used normally in a small-scale production. Semi-automatic machine, it is used in the pharmaceutical industry when the batch size is small or medium, and automatically filling machine are used in the pharmaceutical industry when the batch size of the capsule is very large. Soft gelatin capsule. First, coming to the basic definition of the soft gelatin capsule cell. Soft gelatin capsule are one piece hermetically sealed soft gelatin cell containing a liquid suspension or a semi-solid. Soft gelatin is mainly composed of gelatin, plasticizer, preservative, coloring agent and opacifying agent, flavoring agent and sugar. For preparing the soft gelatin capsule, main required component is gelatin. Shape of the soft gelatin capsule. The shape of the soft gelatin capsule are round, oval, oblong, and tube. Manufacturing of the soft gelatin capsule. Composition of the cell. The basic component of the soft gelatin cell is gelatin. However, the cell has been plasticized. The ratio of the dry plasticizer to dry gelatin determines the hardness of the cell and can vary from 0.3 to 1.0 for very hard cell to 1.0 to 1.8 for very soft cell. Up to 5% sugar may be included to give a chewable quality to the cell. The residual cell moisture content of finished capsule will be in the range of 6 to 10%. Formulation. For formulation of the soft gelatin capsule, it mainly involves liquid rather than a powder technology. Materials are generally formulated to produce the smallest possible capsule consisting within a maximum stability, therapeutic effectiveness, and manufacturer efficacy. Number 3. The liquid are limited to those that do not have an adverse effect on gelatin walls. Emulsion cannot be filled because water will be released that will affect the cell. The pH of the liquid can be between 2.5 and 7.5. Now, coming to the method which are mainly adopted for manufacturing the soft gelatin capsule, or the machine which are used for manufacturing the soft gelatin capsule. Number 1, plate process. Number 2, rotary dry process. Number 3, reciprocating die. And number 4, Eco-Gel machine. Plate process. Plate the gelatin sheet over a die plate containing a numerous die pocket. Application of the vacuum to draw the sheet into the die pocket. Fill the pocket with liquid or paste. Place another gelatin shell over the filled pocket and sandwich under a die press where the capsules are from and cut out. Rotary dry press. It is most commonly used method for preparing the soft gelatin capsule. In this method, the soft gelatin capsule are prepared and then filled immediately with a liquid medicament which are having two hopper and two rotating dies. The liquid mixer are placed in one hopper and the liquid medicament are placed in another hopper. In this machine, two hopper is present in one hopper. Liquid mixer is placed and in another hopper medicament is placed. The two rotating dies rotate in opposite direction. When the free gelatin mixer enters the machine from the hopper, it produces two continuous ribbon. This half shell of the capsule is formed. Then, at this stage, the major quantity of the medicament are filled into the stroke of the pump with the subsequent movement of the die, and other half capsule is formed. The two halves of the capsule are sealed together by heat and pressure of the rotating dies. And lastly, at the die rolls rotate and rotates of the machine, die pockets seal and cuts out the filled capsule. This is a picture of the rotary dry machine which are mainly adopted for preparing or manufacturing the soft gelatin capsule, which consists of a gelatin tank, separator box, cooling drum, ribbon, oil rolls, die roller, leads, product pump, product material tank, conveyor belt, etc. Eco-Gel capsule meshes or stamp meshes used as a system of rotary die, but it is unique in their habit. Then vehicle which are used for preparing the soft gelatin capsule. It is mainly classified into two groups: water immersible, volatile or more likely more volatile liquids such as vegetable oil, mineral oils, medium chain, triglyceride are used. Water miscible, non-volatile liquids such as low molecular weight PEG, polyethylene glycol have come into use more recently because of their ability to mix with water. All the liquid used for filling must flow by gravity at a temperature of 35 degrees centigrade or less. The sealing temperature of the gelatin fill is 37 to 40 degrees centigrade. For the evaluation of the capsule, mainly weight variation test, content uniformity test, dissolution test, and disintegration test are adopted. Quality control test for capsule cell is very important because if the quality does not match as per their standard, then it will be not acceptable as a standard. Thank you.